Hey guys, welcome to Buffem Beautiful. I'm Anita Buffem and welcome to another edition of my monthly favorites, and I can't wait to share my favorites with you. So stick around, make sure you're subscribed, and we're gonna get into it in just a second. All right, before we get to the video, I have to dedicate this to Samuel. Honey, thank you so much for sending me such a large donation in Monopoly money, honey. I mean, what am I supposed to do with a British, what do they call it now? A British yentle? What do they call it?
A euro.
Yeah, a euro. What am I supposed to do with that? The only euro I'm interested in is one I can stuff in my mouth. Okay? Thank you so much to everyone who has sent me a contribution to my YouTube channel while I'm going through recovery from surgery and dealing with the complications from that. I love you so much. If you would like to send me a donation and get a future shout out here on my channel, check out how to do that in the comments below. It's holiday time is exciting to use this to me because I can't get enough of the food. I can't get enough of the decorations. I especially like it when other people do a really good job at decorating so that I don't have to decorate and I can enjoy theirs. I don't have to clean up. I don't have to do any jack crap. Okay, Kelly D, my producer Kelly D, everybody's here. Of course, you know I'm up here in the boonies. Still, you guys know go watch my life update vlogs, videos, vlogs, or what do you call them? Vlogs? I don't know. My life update videos talking about my back surgery that I had a few months back. I'm still here going through recovery. Watch all that. But anyway, I've been doing my physical therapy, working on that, and Kelly D came up from New York City. Hi, honey.
Hi, honey.
To spend the weekend with me and to film some more YouTube videos, and so here we are. So where should I start with my...
Start with your planner.
Okay. Well, this should be like a we should do a yearly favorites video. If I was doing like favorites of the year, this would be like one of my yearly favorites. This is my planner from 2017 from Ban.do. Ban.do. I don't know if you've ever heard of them. They have so many tons of fun items, tons of fun things. But their planners, their day planners, they have like some like fun office supplies, and this was really fun to keep all my junk in. There's like lots of fun art in it and little fun stickers and fun stuff like that. I'm one of those people, like, I can't keep my calendar in my phone because like dates disappear, the notifications don't go off, things go missing, so I have to keep it on paper. So does that happen to you? Let me know. Have you found a solution for that? Because I would like to know. I like text myself appointment reminders and then have to scroll back through my texts because I don't trust my calendar and my phone. Anyway, check out Ban.do. They're so much fun. I can't wait to get a 2018 calendar, although I have nothing going on right now other than physical therapy appointments and making videos for you assholes. So I don't need one right now anyway. But Ban.do, totally rad. Okay. Oh. So this was like the first drink at Starbucks that I was ever like addicted to. And I could not get enough of it. And now you can make it at home and it tastes just like a barista made it for you at Starbucks. I'm not kidding. You know me, I wouldn't lie to you unless you're standing in front of me. This is so delicious. It's the Peppermint Mocha Cafe Latte for Keurig, for your Keurig machine. So good. So freaking good. Delicious. I mean, it may be back to being my favorite over PSL. Sorry, PSL. So delicious. So check out the Keurig Peppermint Mocha, Starbucks, at home, Keurig, limited edition. Can't get enough. So good. Totally rad. You guys, I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know what we're going to do with all these foods. Lost 70 pounds. What are we going to do? So this is another holiday favorite of mine that I wait for all year. I don't know why this only comes out once a year. This should be out all year. Like, nothing about this is holiday to me. No, this should be out all the time. Lay's chocolate-covered potato chips. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay? They're wavy Lay's potato chips drenched in milk chocolate for your nerves.
For your nerves.
Salty, sweet. I want to lay these on the floor and roll around with them. I mean, these are so good. These are so good. Now, I know I said I wait for some things all year long, but these I like crave, okay? Like a Cadbury, like you crave a Cadbury egg. You know what I'm talking about. These only Christmas time. Target. These popcorns, okay? October 1st, I start checking the holiday aisles. I'm not even kidding, okay? These are the Wondershop at Target popcorns. This is the caramel corn clusters, white chocolate peppermint. And then I discovered this the other day over there. This is the caramel corn clusters in dark chocolate sea salt. We couldn't wait to try these. These we couldn't wait for. Look at that. Couldn't even wait. Couldn't wait. Half of them gone. Gone. Okay? But this, I'm waiting for you. So I'm going to pass this up to Kelly so she can go to town on these because I know she's hankering. But let me show them. Give me a cluster so I can show them. Oh my God, you guys have to see these. Caramel corn covered in chocolate and sea salt. Oh my God. But this, if you're a fan of peppermint, oh my God, this is no joke, okay? Caramel corn, drizzled in white chocolate, and peppermint. I mean, from the flavor to the texture, like the texture on the inside of my mouth brings me joy. Like I feel it in my loins. That's how good it is. Wow. Oh my God. Totally rad. Okay. I have one more food item. And then I have a couple beauty skincare stuff, okay? So this holiday item, I think is kind of exclusive to where I grew up. I haven't seen it anywhere else. And every year I want to like bring it back to New York City to my friends because it's like so unusual and so different and so good. They're called turkey joints. They're so good. Now let me read you what they are. Turkey joints since 1919. Now I thought there'd be a description on here. Okay, so it's like milk chocolate with Brazil nuts in like this candy coating. Okay, let me show you what one looks like. So the candy coating is kind of like the texture of like a ribbon candy.
Ribbon candy.
Okay, but it's just sweet confection. It's not like peppermint. The inside is like milk chocolate and Brazil nuts. But the milk chocolate is like almost Nutella-y, right? Right? It's not like...
I think it's because of the nuts.
Yeah, probably because of the nuts, she says. These are so good. I think you can order these online. They are delicious. They are so fun to have around the holidays because they're just so different. They're kind of pretty. Like, aren't they? I mean, like, the color, they're like, they glow, girl. I can wear this as a highlighter. So check out turkeyjoints.com. You will not be disappointed. Shout out to Original Candy Turkey Joints at Nora's Candy Shop. They're in Rome, New York. Totally rad. Oh my God. So good. All right, now on to some beauty and skincare. I know that's what you guys love. First up, we have, it's not a new product, but my friend brought it back for me after DragCon. And how nice, because I couldn't go because of my back surgery. And it was nice to know they were thinking of me. They brought me back Jeffree Star Dream House Liquid Lips. And this is like the most beautiful pink. And you know I love Jeffree Star Liquid Lips. I think it's one of the most comfortable formulas. Doesn't feel drying on the lips. Lasts forever. I love all the colors. There's, you know, any color you could imagine he has. Okay, so this is Dream House. It's like metallic pink. It's so beautiful. I have nowhere to swatch it, so I'm not going to. But it's so pretty. I just love it. If you love a Barbie pink, this is the pink for you. Check it out. I love it. It's totally rad. And speaking of liquid lips, next up we have the Huda Beauty Mini Mattes Liquid Lips Red Collection. I'm wearing one of them now. I really like this. It's a cool collection of reds. I just thought it was fun for the holiday season. I picked this up at Sephora. You get 4 reds. It's just a fun collection. Check out the Huda Beauty minis. She has a few different sets of these with different colors that you can get. Check it out. Totally rad. So on to some skincare. So somebody recommended to me this Rhonda Allison pumpkin lotion. Although now, I think it's called pumpkin lotion now. It was called pumpkin rinse toner. They changed the name. I'm not too sure. But Rhonda Allison pumpkin something. Oh my God. It smells so good. I love what it does to my skin. I just love how it makes my skin feel. I've been putting it on after I wash my face. It just really makes it feel soft and tight and just feels really, really good. I then went and researched a little bit, and apparently pumpkin is like, has like a lot of vitamins, and I'm so mad because I left my notes in the other room. She's such a pro. But pumpkin has a whole bunch of great stuff for your skin in it. So check out the Rhonda Allison pumpkin lotion is what I believe they call it now. It's totally rad. I'm in love with it. You will love it too. Also, since my surgery, I've been getting into any way I can heal my body as quick as possible. You know, if you've been watching my life updates, I've had some complications with some nerve stuff, and go watch those videos. So I've been getting into some essential oils, which I'm finding out about how great they are for your skin and for beauty. And as I start to research, I'm like, wait a minute, those are some of the same ingredients as some of my favorite serums and lotions and toners. And so I'm like, why don't I just get a couple of these essential oils and put those babies right on my face? One of the oils I picked up, I'm really, really in love with, and I wanted to share it all with you guys because it does so much from my understanding and from my experience. I'm halfway through the bottle. I've been using it for about a month. You can ingest it. You can use it on your hair. You can use it on your skin. I'm not a doctor. Consult your doctor. But I've had great results so far. So check it out. It's called Camelina Oil. I'll post links to all the products in the description below. You can get this on Amazon. This is where I got this oil. I should also say, with essential oils, it's important to do some research to make sure you're getting a good one, because I've come across oils, companies that are not putting out, I guess, what they say they're putting out, and you could get some oils that are not good. Anyway, so just, if you're going to get some essential oils, just do a quick Google search or read comments for where you're purchasing them from other customers, just to make sure you're getting a good one. So this is Camelina Oil. You can use this on your hair, and your scalp, and right on your skin. I've been using this on my face just a little bit in the morning if you're going to be out and about in the day. Your skin will soak this right up like a serum does. Check out Camelina Oil. You won't be sorry. It's totally rad. So, you guys know me, I'm really critical, so I have some bogus items. So frickin' bogus.
Oh God, honey, garbage.
Honey, it's horrible.
It's for the poor. Totally bogus.
When I first got this product, I did think that I was in love with it. I did like how it made my lips feel, but the buxom, and I love buxom, I really love buxom. I love their full-on lip glosses, but their PowerPlump Lip Balm, totally bogus. So not only is it a lip plumping balm, it's also a lip stain. My problem was the stain ran outside of my lips and I looked like I'd been drinking Kool-Aid. For me, that was a totally frickin' bogus. And my last frickin' bogus item is the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks. I had a couple of these that I tried. I did not like these products. I just could not get them to work for me. I mean, there's so many other highlighters that are way better. For instance, I have not found a highlighter better than my Lime Crime highlighter palette. It is a powder that goes on so easy and smooth and makes I'm wearing it now. I don't know. It's just these matchsticks were just no good for me. It pulled my foundation off. It clumped. It was just not good. So Fenty Beauty matchsticks, frickin' bogus. You guys, I love you so much. Thank you for joining me for my holiday edition of my favorites. Let me know in the comments below some of your favorites, because I'm always wanting to know what's hot and what's not. So let me know. Make sure you're subscribed. I love you guys so much. Make sure to lead with love and positivity, and you will be Buffem beautiful.